Hi everyone, welcome to the GIS Gallery. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to georeference a toposheet in QGIS using the image-to-image method. This technique is particularly useful when you have an existing georeferenced image and want to align another map or toposheet to it. I'll guide you through each step to ensure that your maps are accurately aligned and ready for further analysis. Let's dive in and get started.
In this video, we'll be seeing how you can georeference an image using your already georeferenced image or your base map. So in here, you can see that I have two images, Kerala District 1 and then Kerala District 2. Now if I zoom out to Kerala District 1, you can see that it's falling over Africa, right? So it's not georeferenced. And if I'm coming over to Kerala Georeference 1, it's actually clearly georeferenced. Okay. So now using this image for the base map, I'll be georeferencing the Kerala District 1. That is the non-georeferenced image. So that we can go to Layer, click on Georeferencer. Okay. And then using this open raster, you can open your non-georeferenced image. Alright. That is my Kerala District 1. Click OK. And then what you need to do is you have to go and add points and see where you can add your point. Okay. So I'll be using this pixel. Okay. Click here. Now it will be asking for coordinates. What I'll do is I'll click on from map canvas. I'll zoom over to my georeference layer and then pick the exact same pixel which I used for that. So that has been done, and now I can click OK. Similarly, I'll be choosing other points also. So I'll be coming over here and then I'll choose this pixel, click on from map canvas, zoom over to my georeferenced Kerala map, go to the same exact place and choose the same, click OK. Similarly, I'll be going over here, choose this pixel from map canvas, zoom to my georeferenced Kerala image, come over here, and then I believe it was this pixel, right? Click OK. And now I'll be zooming over to my next point. I will choose this point, click on from map canvas, zoom to my georeferenced image, come over here, is the same pixel, click OK. And now it is done. So 77, 74, 74, 79. Yeah, it's been done. Now I can go to transformation settings. I'll give this thing as exactly, and then in here, yeah, let it be the modified, and then resampling nearest neighbor. I don't need the GCP points, and I'll also click on loading project when done. Click OK, and then I'll click on start georeferencing. And now, if I come over to my modified image, I'll switch off my georeferenced image. See, my Kerala District 1, which was not georeferenced, has been georeferenced here. And now I can just close this georeferencer. It's asking for save GCP points. No, I don't want these points to be saved. So I'll click on discard. And yeah, so this is how you can georeference an image using an already georeference, or you could also use the base map for georeferencing. Okay, thank you.
That's all for today, guys. Please do comment if you have any queries or suggestions or even recommendations for new videos.